Hello, Chantal, Adult Programming Supervisor at the Airdrie Public Library, and today I am bringing you a really easy craft/boredom buster idea. Now, this project came about through a want to have my own home. I wanted an area at the front door I could consolidate all the dog walking gear to make it really accessible to all the family members, but I didn't want to just stick a plain hook in the wall, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on signs you can pick up at home decor stores. So just a few really inexpensive supplies at the local craft stores, I was able to customize something that worked for me. But this could also be used for key holders or any sort of storage solutions in the bedrooms. I've also used it for little plaques, customized plaques with hooks to hang kids' coats on and hang their backpacks at the front door for some storage solutions. So again, really easy to do, really inexpensive and fun. So the supplies for this project are pretty basic. Any sort of plaque or sign, or if you can cut out your own shape, go for it. You need a hook of some sort, glue, and any kind of paint that you have left over will work. You can also print off clip arts. I had some embellishments laid out. I had some leftover stick-on lettering. So whatever you have around, just go ahead and be creative. I will post some copies of some demos I made really quickly, just to hopefully spark some ideas in you. And again, I'd love to hear what you made if you attempted this project. So go ahead and have some fun. So here I just have some demos of some projects I did just to help you give some ideas. I made a little key holder. Here I made the dog walking station. I put a little tray on to hold the waste bags so we can all find them. And on the back, I just did a mini demo of something I've done for some of the girls in my family where they could hang their prized jewelry on in their bedrooms. So again, a fun, easy little craft that actually serves a purpose in the house. I'd love to have any feedback to see if you tried this project and what you used it for.